Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in a previous video, you saw my husband and me team up to assemble and stamp this little truck from the precious Ride With Me bundle, which includes the Ride With Me stamp set and the truck ride dies that's in the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. It's a very versatile set that can be used for birthdays, for fall occasions, for holiday occasions. And with this little truck that we made together, I wanted to show you how I finished it off. So I'm using the little Christmas tree stamp from the set, as well as the die to cut that stamp out. So let me show you what I did. First of all, I stamped and then cut out with the die the tree, okay? And so I want that to go on one side of the truck. Okay, now I want another one on the other side of the truck, but I want it to be going the same way. So I had to do a backward stamping image, like a mirror image. So let me show you what I did. I'm gonna move this out of the way, and I'm gonna get my Stamparatus. All right, so I already have this little tree mounted onto one of the plates for the Stamparatus, and inside I have one of the silicone sheets that we sell in the annual catalog. This is great for lots of things, working on top of when you're using glue or adhesive so that it doesn't get on your work surface and it peels up nicely. But I also like it for this technique. So I want to get the flip image of that tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Memento ink and ink up the Christmas tree, and then I'm going to stamp directly onto the silicone sheet. And I'm just going to press down so that the ink is there. Okay, so there it is. Then I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock that's cut generously enough where I know I'm going to put it over top of that. So I'm going to place there. And then I'm just going to rub around with my fingers, not moving the cardstock so it doesn't be not smeared. And then I'm going to lift it up. And there it is, the mirror image of the tree. Okay, so that is just a really easy way to get that look. And then what I did, because of course this die only cuts this way, okay, so we need it to cut the flip way. So this is how I remedied that. I'm going to take my Stampin' Blends and go ahead and color this tree. I'm just using dark Granny Apple Green right now to do the outlines and the little accents in the tree. Now these little wispies of pine needles that are flying, you would use that like when you're stamping this inside of the truck when you're making not a 3D project but like a card, and then you could see all of these and you would do all of this, okay, for the front of your card. But for this reason that's not going to matter. So then I'm going to take the light Granny Apple Green and just fill in just like this, okay. And so then when I go to cut, I still have that problem. So what I do is I flip it, and you can see with the blends, the color comes through, which it's supposed to. That's a good color. And you just line this up just like this. And then I like to use a Post-it note, okay? And then I run it through my die cutting machine, like this. Okay, then we'll flip it over, and there it is, cut out just as nice as you please. Okay, so now let me get my truck. Okay, and this one can go here on this side. I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive along the bottom edge here. that and just hold it for a second. And then take the flip side, a little bit of adhesive there along the bottom. There we go. And then you can, there's room for some little candies or mints or something that you can put in the back of that truck. But I thought that was really cute. Could be used at a play setting or as a little gift. Okay. All right. I hope you will give that a try. I'll have the link to the other video where we make the truck here on the video where you can see it. I'll try to put it right up here. And you can find this great bundle in the online store. So head on over there and get it. You'll have a lot of fun with it. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.